Welcome to 8 Quanta Library content. Today we'll discuss how to create a new body field in NetSuite. Navigate to Customization, Lists, Records and Fields, Transaction Body Fields. Click New. Input the label for the custom body field. Provide the internal ID for the custom body field. For this video, I will use the same label name as the description. Now for the type, you have a few options to pick from, but I'll be using free text for this tutorial. For the List Record field, you'll be able to select from a drop-down menu if the type is set to List Record. Notice how we can select fields now? Let's change this back to free text. You can also enable options like storing the value, displaying it in a list, using an encrypted format, and selecting other related fields. Let's move on to the Applies To tab. Here, you can choose the transactions where you want the custom field to appear. For this tutorial, I'll select Sale only. Now, let's go to the Display tab. In this section, you can decide where to position the field, placing it before any other field. You can also choose the sub-tab for its appearance, as well as adjust the display type and width. In the Validation and Defaulting section, you can set the field to be mandatory, enable spelling checks, define the maximum length, and set other related fields. You can also set the source list and define the source from. Source list refers to a list that you can use as a reference for populating the field. Source from is used to define where the custom field gets its values from. In the Access tab, you can assign roles that have permission to access the custom body field, determine their access level, and configure their search or reporting access level. Now, let's save the custom body field. And that's the process for creating a custom body field. Thanks for watching.